Fiverr kind of saved my life. And I don't even get choked up about it, but like, I don't know what I would have done if it had not been for this company.
I'm Christy Carlo, and I'm a voiceover artist and video spokesperson. I have 4 gigs on Fiverr, and I've hit the Fiverr millionaire milestone. I was a television news anchor for many years. I worked in small markets, medium markets, up to the national level. The business was really difficult. I didn't like the behind-the-scenes politics, the hours, and I was married and trying to get pregnant, and it just didn't fit in work-life balance anymore. So that's when I parlayed into voiceover. Things really took off for me when I decided to utilize my on-air talents as well, not just the voiceover. I had a friend who was a photographer, and he said, you know, they have video spokespeople on Fiverr. And I was like, they do? And he said, yeah, you should check it out. When I first started this, I didn't know anything, and I was really panicked. And my son, who was 14 at the time, comes downstairs. He's like, Mom, I think I can figure this out. And he sat there and he taught himself the software. He went with me to Best Buy. We bought a camera. He learned how to do the equipment, everything. And he was my videographer and my editor for several years. When I got into this, within like the first year, my husband unexpectedly passed away. Fiverr kind of saved me when that happened. And it's been a savior for me. I love that I make my own hours. I work from home so I can be with my kids. They're now in college. All these years that I've been doing it, I didn't have to worry about childcare. I just had the versatility and flexibility to work my own hours. I love that. It's invaluable. Anyone who can deliver something digitally, get on Fiverr. Just put it up there. You never know. Look at your competition. Look at the niche that you want to try to hit. See what gigs are getting a lot of orders in the queue, if there's a demand for what you do, and then look at other people who are successful and try to emulate a little bit what they've done. Always put your best foot forward and see what happens. I'm Christy Carlo, and I wore my Fiverr green today because this has been the millionaire milestone.